Guys, before today's video goes any further, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to this company up here. I'm going to put their name because I think it's just abbreviations, but they were nice enough to send us out this really nice looking 300 watt LED parking light. I'm going to unbox it. This thing is, I saw pictures, it is super, super bright, and it's really sweet. It's going to help us light up this whole thing at night because we're out here in the country and it gets really, really dark. So let me open this thing up. I want to show you guys what we got. This is it. This is a 300 watt lamp. I mean, it's not terribly big. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It's a die-cast aluminum housing, so it's definitely heavy duty. It's not plastic by any means. It comes with a nice adjustable lever, so you can kind of angle it where you want it to be. This one is a hardwired one, so it comes with your black, green, and white. So you got your live, your neutral, and your ground. I'm not sure what these two other purple ones are. You probably wouldn't even use those here, but you could just simply wire it in. You can even just put this on like a regular plug, and then wire it in, and then you could just plug it in and plug it out. This will run dawn to dusk, so it has I guess like a sensor in it. So once it sees that it's getting dark, it'll turn on. It'll run all night, and then once the sun starts to come up, it'll turn off. Now, these are all LEDs, so this thing is going to be super, super bright. Let me read some of these specs over here. So this is a 300 watt 5K. So this has I'm going to read this off here because there's a lot of information. I don't want to forget anything. So it's a 300 watt version. They do make smaller versions, and I think even a 400 watt version. So depending on how big of an area you want to illuminate, that would depend on which one you buy. But this one is a 300 watts, so it goes, they say to put it 25 to 35 feet in the air, and the diameter of the light that you get is about 70 feet, which is huge, just from one light. I mean, this thing is really nice. It's totally waterproof, it's really tough. They say that this thing will run 50,000 hours, running 6 hours a day. So that's pretty sweet. I mean, this thing is going to last you a good minute. So this is ideal for parking lots, garden areas. Something like this would be perfect. The only thing with this is I am going to put an on-off switch on it because there's no way I want this thing running all night long out here in the country. You know what I mean? When you try to sleep, I like it like dark. But it'd be nice to just be able to flick it on and flick it off as needed. So in the future, I know the company's watching this video, you may want to consider having some kind of either like a remote control or an on-off switch. That would probably be really great for some people. Because not everybody's going to want it on all the time. So we're about to head out on the road, but as soon as I get back, I'm going to figure out how I can wire this up with a switch, where I can mount it. I might mount it on this tree somewhere up top, and then it'll kind of illuminate this whole area where we hang out for whenever we need to do stuff outside in the dark, because when it's country out here, when it's dark out, it's really dark. So I appreciate them sending this out to us. This thing looks really nice. I'm excited to try it out. I gotta get some stuff figured out to see. I wasn't really when they first sent this out to us, I was thinking it was a solar model, because they make solar models where you don't have to plug them in. So with this one, I'm gonna have to figure out how to hardwire it and see if I can run it off of our solar system, because we're off grid over here. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'm going to put a link down below. You guys can check out all their different models. Like I said, they're really nice. They're heavy duty. They're not like plastic crap. It looks like a really nice heavy-duty build. I like how the wiring is all insulated. They got the mounting bracket right here. They give you some hardware. Now with this, I'm probably going to go with like self-tapping bolts or something. But I told them I'd tell you guys all about this real quick. Really nice. Again, check out the website.